check the questions if you forgot anything. Okay, can I start? Open your laptops. Open your Jupyter notebooks in your laptops. Sorry, sir.
The last question was still on SOP, right?
Yeah, no. I won't touch the last section. Just from the basics. Okay. First question. Create. Yes, sir.
I'm hoping
No. Yeah, you can.
notebook, right?
Yeah, notebooks. Everyone done? Create meaningful variable. Create meaningful variable and store and learning data file. And learning data file.
Create a meaningful variable and store.
I'm learning data science.
Achha.
I'm learning data science. That's the first question.
Yeah. Okay.
Go through it. Yeah. Second question. Create multiple variable. Create multiple variable and assign multiple values. Create multiple variable and assign multiple values. Approximately 4 values, 4 variables. Clear? Completed. Can I go for the next one?
Yep.
Shiva. Sir. Shiva. Clear? A equals to A equal to small a equal to 2.973 convert it into float. Convert it into float. 2.973. Convert into float. Convert into float. That is like a type casting or type conversion topic. Typing name is type casting. Sorry, converting to int. Sorry. Converting to int. A equals to 2.976 or something I given in float value. Try to convert it into the int. That's my mistake. Sorry for that. Convert it into int. Clear? X equals to
Next question, Moshe.
yes, in that only x equals to x equal to 7. X equals to 7. Convert it into complex. Converted into complex. Converted into complex. Can anyone tell the output? What you got? Output, please. And then offline both you got the same thing. What's the output?
Vamshi, I'm just noting down the questions as we speak.
Sir, you need to work here only, sir. That's why I'm giving the time.
Okay.
So from here to you need to work. So before questions, just drop off. You can work some later. I'm not getting it, sir.
Skipped.
So we have basically type 1 questions. We have 3 types. One is int, float, complex. If you want to convert from one format to another format, we need to mention what type of format we are converting. So here x equals to 7. I need to convert into the complex. So x equals to 7. A equals to complex of x. X equals to 7.
Okay.
This is the question. I need to convert into the complex. Okay. X equals to 7. Take some other variable like any variable B or C. Okay. Equal to complex of COMPLEX, complex of X. I am converting the X into the complex format. Now you got 7 plus 0 Z output. Print whatever the variable you are storing using. So వచ్చిందా రాలేదా ఎందుకు రాలేదు మర్చిపోయినావు ఎలా శివ అలా అయితే ఎక్కిపోయింది తీను ఎలా శివ అలా అయితే మెటీరియల్ కూడా పంపించాను నీకు చూడలేదా ఇక్కడ చూడండి హ్యావ్ ఇట్ సో నేను ఏం చెప్పాను x ఈక్వల్స్ టు 7 శివ x ఈక్వల్స్ టు 7 చెప్పాను సో కొత్తగా ఒక వేరియబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఐ నీడ్ టు కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ ది కాంప్లెక్స్ ఆఫ్ x. Print h అంతేనా? ఇప్పుడు ఆ డేటా అనేది నువ్వు ఉండే ఇంట్ వాల్యూ ఇట్ విల్ కన్వర్టెడ్ ఇంటూ ది కాంప్లెక్స్. సో ప్రీవియస్ ఏమి ఇచ్చా a ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2.973 సంథింగ్ ఏదో ఇచ్చా. సో ఐ నీడ్ టు కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ ద ఇంట్ ఇంటేకే కదా. సో i ఈక్వల్స్ టు int of a ప్రింట్ i అంతే. అందుకే అసైన్మెంట్స్ చేయండి 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 అని చెప్పారు, ఊరికే కాదు కదా. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎ థియరీ, ఇట్స్ అ ప్రాక్టికల్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్. వి నీడ్ టు ఇంప్లిమెంట్ యాజ్ అ ప్రాక్టికల్. ఎగ్జామ్ కాదు, థియరీ రాసుకుంటే చదివేసి చెప్పే ఎగ్జామ్ రాసుకుంటే ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఎ ఎగ్జామ్. ఓకే క్లియర్? డన్? ఆన్లైన్ ఆఫ్లైన్ బోత్ డన్?
One second, Vamshi. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, sir, just a second. Yeah, sir, you can share. I think so. We have an access for.
Went, can you see my screen, Vamshi? Sorry.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So, Vamshi, this is the first thing. So, when you said create multiple variables, I did like this is fine, right? Or you wanted me to create separately?
Sir. I told you the question is create multiple variables and assign the multiple values, but you created only one variable.
Oh, okay,
Variable
okay,
is the
understood.
one. So you need to create multiple variables, right? There.
Multiple variables. Understood.
Yeah.
I'll do that. Yeah. And for this one,
So
this is a float, right? So we want to convert it.
not like that, sir. It's giving a suggestion, not like that. So use one more variable. What? Anything like EF I equals to
Okay.
anything your wish. I equals
I
to
equals to
int of int. I need to convert from int, right? Int of not like this, sir. You need to mention the bracket square bracket, sorry, parenthesis a.
okay. I have to pass it through. Okay.
Yeah, you need to pass run print I.
Okay.
Now you got the output as a true. So in integers we only have int values, not the decimals. Clear? As a reason, clear? Everything.
Yeah.
Because it's not Jupyter workstation, right?
That's a Google collab. Same like a Jupyter. Same like a
Visual Studio.
Sir?
Visual Studio.
Visual Studio is also same. Like visuals, there is difference, sir, but Visual Studio we need to write complete code, everything. But here we have a cells, block of code we can mention the something.
It's like that.
Yeah. So it is easy to use. Jupyter.
Let's try we have the office thing. So
Okay.
because of Visual Studio. So
So yes, in Visual Studio also we can execute the code. But there is no problem. But Jupyter is a comfortable to write the code. So in the real time, if you are go for the data analysis or data science, mostly people for the Jupyter only. But they have some paid versions Jupyter. User interface is same. Now we are using the free version. They use some paid version.
yeah, because in office works that is like they have multiple.
Yeah.
So they used to run one Visual Studio. They used to have Java.
Yes, sir.
Everything in the same.
Same Visual Studio. So we can easily write the different codes.
Different codes in that one. So they so Automail they're giving us that.
Yes.
Not Jupyter. I was saying
Jupyter only for the artificial intelligence.
only for this thing, right?
Data science, artificial intelligence, data analysis. Only for that thing.
This one you.
Yeah.
Usually for the file handling and.
Even if you go for the deployment also, you can go use like VS Code or Spider. We have one more PyCharm Spider. You can use that one for the deployment purpose. For building a model, Jupyter is enough.
And it's the same code, right? Both the.
Yeah, same code. Sir.
Syntax is the same.
Everything is same.
So the user interface is different.
If and that's it. Sir.
You can again write the same codes there also. Just to use.
Okay. Same, sir. You can implement there also. You can it's work. But in Visual Studio, you need to integrate with Python. Already need to be integrated with Python. At the time it will. Even now also Visual Studio is upgraded. Jupyter is included in the Visual Studio also. So extension, use Jupyter extension. Directly we are using the Jupyter extension in Visual Code. Clear? Can I go for the next? Next question is name equals to NAME. Name equal to technology. Name equal to technology. Okay. Identify which type of data is stored. Identify which type of data is stored in variable name. Identify which type of data is stored in variable name. Clear? Question? Can you please tell me the answer? Which type of data is stored in variable name? String. Right? Clear?
Type A, right? TYP.
Type function.
TYP, right?
TYP. It shows the class string. అంతేనా ఏం శివ తెల్లగా ఉన్నావు నేను వీడియోలో చూడట్లేదు సార్ నువ్వు నన్ను అడుగుతున్నావు గుర్తే లేవు అందుకే అసైన్మెంట్స్ ఇంతవరకు ఒకటినా సబ్మిట్ చేసినావా మళ్ళీ ఎలా వస్తాయి శివ చెప్పు
Print a type name, right? Print type name.
Yeah, that's it. You will give it gives output as a class string. What it showing?
Oh, so Vamshi, I am passing name inside type, right?
So type.
So we have a type function, right? To
Yeah, yeah.
identify the which type of data type is stored in a variable. Use the type function.
Yeah, I'm doing that. I'm just trying to print some.
Share your screen.
Oh, no, I got it. I missed a double quotation. Yeah, it's okay. String, str.
Yeah.
I missed a double quote on the technology.
This is where you have bracket inside.
Yeah, yes, sir. For the strings, we need to definitely mention them brackets.
Exactly, but I.
Double quote, single quote
No.
is mandatory for everything. String, if you are
Yeah.
writing the string,
No, that I understood, but, as of the type has to be in the bracket, right? I was
Yeah.
putting,
Separately. okay.
I remember that the command, but I don't remember the question.
Okay, sometimes it happens.
But that's the-
I told you to practice twice and twice and twice and why are you giving assignments? This is the reason. So when you are listening in the class, that's fine. You are everything understand in the class. But once you go for the home or 2 or 3 days, you can't getting the things. That's why I tell you to practice the things and providing assignments for it. ఏం శివ అర్థమైందా అర్థం కాలేదా నేను చేసి చూపించాలా నీకు మెటీరియల్ ఉండదు కదా ఈరోజు టాస్క్ కంప్లీట్గా నేర్చుకొని రేపు పీపీటీ కూడా ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి రేపు క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతా సో ఇన్ ద పీపీటీ ఐ విల్ ఆస్క్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆల్సో ఓకే ఇన్ పీపీటీ నాట్ ఓన్లీ మీ యువర్ టీమ్ మెంబర్స్ విల్ ఆస్క్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇఫ్ దే హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఇఫ్ దే గివ్ ఎనీ సజెషన్స్ ఆల్సో టేక్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ఏ పాజిటివ్ వే డోంట్ గో ఫర్ ది వార్ with me and your team members. Mostly, I'm only the person giving mostly suggestions and as well as the things. Okay. So whatever the things your team members give, just take it as a positive thing. Okay. Don't go for the war with them. Out there, not inside. Okay. శివ నువ్వు అదంతా రివిజన్ చేసుకొని చెయ్యి ఓకే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి శివ లేకపోతే అవ్వదు ఈజీ కాదు ఓకేనా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి కన్ఫర్మ్. Okay, next question, go for the next one. ఓటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ చెప్పాను ఓటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ చెప్పేసా ఇప్పుడు కాదు ప్రీవియస్ చెప్పాను ఓటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను ఇచ్చానా ఓకే సో రైట్ ఎ పైథాన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఐ థింక్ నేను ఇచ్చానని గుర్తుంది లెట్ మీ చెక్ write 1 second, that's not a problem. Write a Python program to check whether a person to check whether a person eligible for vote or not. To check whether a person eligible for vote or not. As a rule of, yeah, I think so
Eligible
it has
for?
already given
Different type.
different type, huh? Okay, that's question is different.
Question is different.
Yeah.
After if you 18 go to
Ah.
private, something like that.
So try yourself, build the voting system right now. Create a program for voting system. If a person take dynamic inputs. Take dynamic inputs. శివ ఒకసారి నీ పక్కన దాంట్లో అబ్జర్వ్ చేయి ఎలా రాస్తున్నా నాకు తెలుసు నువ్వు నేర్చుకుని నీకు రాలేదని నాకు అర్థమైంది ఒకసారి పక్కన అబ్జర్వ్ చేయి ఎలా రాస్తున్నా
You will get what you question as two points.
So here the question is write a Python program to check whether the person old or not. So you need to write a program to check the person is to vote eligibility or not. As the Indian government rule of the eligibility rule is 8. If the person age is greater than 18, you are eligible for vote. If the person is less than 18, you are not eligible for vote. This is the two statements you need to write. That's it. So that will need to be taken a user base. User need to give the inputs. Think about it. చిన్న పుష్ప అర్థమైందా అర్థం కాలేదు క్వశ్చన్ So what you forgetting, sir? Like, so try it, sir. If the
First, we
person
define two names. So when we define two names then.
names, why you are using names? I'm telling about the age. If the person age is greater than 18, you are eligible for the vote. If a person is less than
Question, how do I
implement, that's a logic, sir. You need to think about it. That's a lot. Use the user base input, like take the input from the user. We have two types of inputs, right? One is static input and one was dynamic input. So static input is by default as a developer we are giving. Dynamic input is you need to take the input from the user.
Yeah. So Vamshi, I have used input function for that.
Yeah, that's.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay. 1 second. Share.
So why you written the three statements there?
So, sorry, Vamshi.
Why you written the three statements? Like three conditions you have mentioned. Why
Yeah,
you
so if I'm not putting this, Vamshi, so the error that I'm getting is this. I'll just show you. Stop this. Yeah. So let's say I'm putting 18 exactly.
okay?
It says please. So it is getting to the else statement if it is
That means
18 also.
you need to write. You need to write the if the person age is exactly 18, you need to write greater than or equal to 18.
Okay.
Less than or
Okay,
equal
the
to 18.
opposite. Yeah, understood. So
Yeah.
basically,
So
greater.
that's it, right? Simple statement.
Okay.
If exactly the person age is 18, mention that age is greater than or equal to 18. If a person age is greater than or equal to, he was eligible for the vote.
Understood.
Clear?
Okay, so the logic is reversed basically. Okay. this and put 18 exactly. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Understood.
Clear?
We don't need this. Basically, there is only one condition.
Yeah, only we have a two conditions. One is odd or not odd. That's it. We don't have multiple conditions. If we have more than two conditions, at the time we will go for the else if.
Else if. Yeah. 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 Understood.
Clear?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Clear? Next version. Yeah, okay. Take your time, not a problem. We have n number of logical questions, sir. N number of. I will use some of the things for you also. So previous classes also we discussed regarding to that. Okay. So then I need to write a code. Yeah. You're doing that?
Yeah.
Got it? Second question. Sorry, next question. Write Python code. Write Python code to find చివరి మీ క్వశ్చన్స్ రాసుకోండి ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి మీరు అసలు ఏం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయలేదు జస్ట్ బ్లైండ్గా వచ్చేస్తున్నా రైట్ ఏ పైథాన్ కోడ్ టు చెక్ whether a number is even or odd. To check whether a number is even or odd. Somewhat difficult, right? Try to build the logic. Okay. To check whether the number is even or odd. What is the functionality of even? What is the functionality of odd? Even number is need to be a even like 2, 4, 6, 6 even number. Odd is 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7. So you need to build a logic for this.
So what does the by?
I don't know that.
But if one divided by something be a float and unclear integer.
Sir, here the question is check the number. Whatever the number I am providing you, you need to give the output as even or odd. Okay. So you need to write two conditions. One is for even, one is for odd. There is only two conditions. Whether the number is even or odd, you need to find. Whatever the thing I mentioned. If I give 3, we know that it is a odd number, but we need to get the output from the Python. Idea on them? Every
అంటే అకౌంట్ ఇలాంటి అన్ని ట్రిక్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా సో కొంచెం అలా
పుష్ప వచ్చిందా? ఇంకా కొంచెం I will give some clue for you also. In these conditions, we use the arithmetic operator. In these conditions, we use arithmetic operator. Which arithmetic operators we use, I don't know, but you need to think about it. In this function condition, we use arithmetic operations also. Basically, only two arithmetic operations. One is division, another one is modulus. Which one you use? Only two things. If you mention one of the one, you will get an output. If I give that much answer, you can clearly get that. If you, I will give chocolate for anyone. If online candidates, I will mail for them. Chocolate. Offline.
what is one number, single number? Percentage and number. Yeah.
Yeah. You get the remainder as a zero, right? Sorry, remainder.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to, but I forgot the.
If remainder equals to zero, that is
I understood that, but thinking how to put that in the code.
yes, sir. That's a logic, sir.
Logic I understood.
Everything I have given the
No, I understood logic process, but I not get the syntax.
syntax. Yes, sir. That's a point you need to mention.
Syntax is what I'm not getting.
Question, sir, completed? Got it?
I understood. I'm just writing that code so that
Yes, sir. Try it, sir.
goes
Try
up.
it. Try it. Try
Yeah.
it. Try it.
So I'm defining a first of all formula first, and from
Okay.
there I'm trying to do it. Yeah.
Yes, sir. You can try, sir. Give me 5 minutes for time. I will give 5 minutes. Try it. Simple logic, sir. By the definition only you can understand. But the code is
Yeah.
somewhat difficult to write. Pushpa. Rale, sir. Rale, sir. Huh? Do you know the meaning of palindrome? Palindrome. What's that mean? Yeah. If you read from the front or if you read from the back, same word. Next question is that. I know this is quite easy for everyone. Restaurant question is completed. Recently, I given the restaurant questions, right?
Order.
Orders. Isn't it? Correct letter. If this video will be uploaded into that things, go through the thing, check out the questions. If you have any doubts, practice need to be done more and more and more and more. Okay, that's why I'm giving 10 times, 5 times of assignment. That's the reason you need to done the practice a lot. Otherwise, we can't able to get the things. So this is not a theory. This is not an exam. Come, bring your laptop. Sure. లాజిక్ అర్థమైందా? లాజిక్ చెప్పిన లాజిక్ అర్థమైందా? మీకు అర్థమెటిక్ ఆపరేటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి గుర్తున్నాయా? అడిషన్, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్, మల్టిప్లికేషన్, డివిజన్, ఫ్లో డివిజన్, మాడ్యులస్ ఉన్నాయా? సో ఇక్కడ డివిజన్ అప్లై చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? కోషెంట్లో ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. మాడ్యులస్ అప్లై చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? రిమైండర్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? నువ్వు అంటే ఎప్పుడైతే రిమైండర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయిందంటే అది ఏమవుతుంది? ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది. అంతే కదా?
Vamshi, I have tried it. It's
Yes, sir.
working.
You can share
I
the
do not
screen.
know if I have made it too complicated.
Yes, sir. You can share the screen,
Share
sir.
the screen. Let me share the screen. Can you see my screen?
Yep.
Okay. So
Hmm.
basically,
That's good.
I have taken.
So
Okay.
you have mentioned the like you created the function, right?
Yeah, this one.
That's great, sir. That's great.
Yeah. So because we want to check the remainder of it, right?
That's
If it
only the
is.
thing, sir. That's the only the
Yeah.
condition, the small condition.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Great, sir. You include the functions also.
Yeah, I tried.
I want yours. Great.
After combined, I have to.
Check, check is not defined. You need to call the function, right? Once you create the function, you need to call the function. Check underscore even underscore or you need to call one second. Why you mention the two things? Once a function is you don't need to mention this thing. Okay. Inputs. One second. Karanam, please stop. Yeah. ఫంక్షన్ రాసేటప్పుడు ఫంక్షన్ ని కాల్ చేయాలి. సో అట్ ది టైం వి డోంట్ రిక్వైర్ టు గివ్ ది ఇన్పుట్స్. ఓకే, ఇన్పుట్ మళ్ళీ తీసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. అదర్వైజ్ యూ క్యాన్ రైట్ ది స్టేట్మెంట్ ఎస్ రిటర్న్. స్టేట్మెంట్ కూడా రాయొచ్చు. అప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు నువ్వు యూజర్ నుంచి ఇన్పుట్స్ తీసుకోవాలి అనుకున్నప్పుడు రిటర్న్ స్టేట్మెంట్ రాయొచ్చు, అవుట్పుట్స్ వస్తాయి. సార్ క్లియర్?
No.
అది వెరీ యూజ్. Alright, so not use open the user, let me get. So number equals to x like this to number equals to take the user input. Yeah, B number percentage not this. Use 2 equal to 6. We apply percentage not equal to 0.
That is what I was.
Yeah. Ended with colon. This is only the print even number else and that's about simple. You can define with the different types functions. You can use the function to define. Pushans are and Pushpa has done the same. They use the functions to define. That's a great thought. You are my students, right? You are my students. That's the practicing impact, not my impact. That is a practicing impact. The credits completely goes for the practice, not for me. That's completely so. Practice and done that. Yeah. Final question. Try it your home. Okay. One is check. So you can write the final questions. Write a Python code. Write a Python code for polydrome. For polydrome. PALINEROME. Write a Python code to check polydrome. Right? That's a simple statement of line. So go to the Google, check what is the meaning of polydrome.
Understood the meaning of paradigm.
Yeah, you need to implement that code in Python. Take any example, your wish. From the right side. When you start reading from left to right and right to right, same the meaning. Example, madam, M-A-D-A-M. From the reverse also, M-A-D-A-M. Okay, you need to write Python code for this. Don't copy from anywhere.
No.
If you copy, tomorrow I will ask you how you get that logic also. Okay, try to implement. Okay, try to implement. That's it. Bhushan sir, understand?
Yeah, I wrote it down. I'll check. I do not know what
Write
exactly.
a Python
it's
program
all
to check if a string is a polygon or not.
about. Okay.
Okay, this is a question. So check the what is the meaning of polytron also and implement that things.
Okay. Okay. Vamshi.
Got it, everyone? That's the question. And tomorrow we have a PPT presentation also. Bring the PPTs. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, we don't have much time for that. Just I'm giving 5 to 10 minutes of time. You need to complete within the 5 to 10 minutes of time. Sir.
Earlier one. I'm still getting that not all arguments are already with string formatting.
For what?
Well, even not the string. I'm getting an error. Not all arguments are converted using string formatting.
Pushpa, check it. నీ దాంట్లో ఉండేది ఎట్లా చెప్పాలి ఆడు ఉండే దానికి సాల్వ్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ నాట్ యువర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సార్ క్లోజ్ దట్ ల్యాప్టాప్ క్లోజ్ దట్ వన్ సాల్వ్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఏం చెప్తారా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ పెట్టండి సాల్వ్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ దట్
She's saying it and solving it now. You have to show me how you solve
I
it.
have also mind. Pushpa in the voice replacement. If F string, sir, if F strings, solve that one. You can improve the programming skill, language skills, right? Logical skills is more important. So same questions have done differently here. See, he has done differently. Sar has done differently. Pushpa has done differently. For you also do that something different. You need to know the logic. That's it. If you know the logic means you can build n number of programs. Why you are not getting Pushpa? Everything at the airport. And back this is Rajesh for enter anyone number enter enter that. Not all argument converted that during the springs. Enter the step Mr. Gratitude. Mr. Rahul. Check it. Where exactly you are getting the error?
Even I was thinking this.
No. Space has to be data type. Intent is often. Oh, yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Pushpa?
Integer and vertex.
Sir, integer strings are not allowed. That's why you got that error. నువ్వు రాసావు కదా మళ్ళీ ఆడేంది that's good. Other friends have given as an assignment. Prepare the PPTs also for the tomorrow. Do you require some more time or will you complete tomorrow? Tell from your side. If you require some more time means like 1 day time. Tomorrow there is no class. Prepare the PPT and day after tomorrow we have a class. No sir, time is enough. Tomorrow definitely I will show the PPTs means with preparation. Tomorrow we have a class. You can give the PPTs. Sir, understand?
Tomorrow we are going to have.
Sir, if you this is a two I have a two options, sir. Option one is if your time is sufficient for you for preparing PPTs as well as the concept for giving the PPTs, we can continue for the tomorrow. So if we don't have any time means tomorrow there is no class. You completely prepare for the PPT as well as the concept, and day after tomorrow comes and give the PPT. Option 1 or option 2? Anyone? You completely your wish. I will go for yourself. Option 2. What about you? 2. What about you? 2. What about you? In other two, you have not no 2. Sir, what about your option, sir? 1 or 2? Everyone is prepared for 2. So that means tomorrow we don't have any class. Just prepare yourself for the PPT and concept. And next day, like today is the 11th, 12th, we don't have 13th. 13th, you need to give the presentation. Clear, sir? Question, sir, online.
Yeah.
That means tomorrow we don't have any class. Just prepare from the starting to ending. Rahul. From the starting to ending, completely need to prepare. Okay. What are the topics I have given for the PPTs? Mostly focus on the functions. Most focus on the function because every data science programs are written mostly in function. Okay. If you upgrade yourself for the large language models or generative AI, at the time we use the class. Up to data science programs, we only use for the functions. Okay. We focus on this thing. I will ask the questions also. We prepare for each and every topic. Try to explain in English only. No need to explain in Telugu. If you are good or bad, that's not a point. How much of speaking is necessary? I am also not perfect in English. I am trying to speak. So you also trying to speak. That's it. That's it, sir. That's it from my end. If you don't have any doubts, you can leave the class. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.